this place is heaven. I don't feel like I'm on planet. Babe, waterfall, waterfall, waterfall. Oh my god, so beautiful, waterfall. Oh my god, I love it, love it.
As I was saying.
Yeah, as I was saying, I'm obsessed with waterfalls. Like literally, I want my house to have waterfalls. Do you understand that? So it means I have to be so rich to afford to have a waterfall, because clearly I can't live in Lesotho. As much as it's beautiful, oh, this is gonna be my vacation spot. Like there's serenity here. You don't understand.
So you're like a beach person, not a mountains person.
And this is kind of different kind of mountains, babe. Look at this. How could one not like this beauty? Like Scotland has nothing on this. Well, literally, sorry to hurt the Scotland people, sorry. But literally, okay, I don't know the feeling that I'm feeling in my, like in my heart.
I think that feeling is 2 glasses of red wine.
No, man. It's not. This is the beauty. Another waterfall, waterfall, waterfall. Ah, love it, love it. Hello, waterfall. That's a small one, but I love it.
That was the waterfall, babe. Did you hear it?
Yeah. So, even though you're joking, definitely, I love Lesotho. I'm in love. I never thought I'd love Lesotho. What do you think, man?
What do I think about what?
Do you love or like Lesotho? Which one do you?
Do I like it, or I like it?
Do you love it or do you like it? No, do you love it or do you like it?
Love is a strong word.
Yes, you don't. I love it. That's how strong I feel about Lesotho. I'm not talking about customer service, which I wouldn't like when I get to the hotel. Maybe, who knows? I don't know. I'm literally talking about the beauty of these mountains. Yeah, and they need to put those things, the mats, because that's dangerous. It can hit you and we die. See, now they're putting this. You see, this is what they're doing. This is for safety. That's for safety. They are going through that. Babe, so you don't love Lesotho, you just like it.
I didn't say that, no.
What are you saying? Tell me.
I guess I'm saying I love it, yeah.
Lies, you don't. He's just saying he's on camera.
What a mountain.
Oh my god, this is heaven. Guys, you guys don't understand how beautiful this place is. Let me zoom.
How's that sleep going, Dad?
Sorry, Dad, I'll keep quiet. You can have some sleep. I'm just enjoying.
Oh, look at these guys on the road, huh? Sheep.
Oh yeah, let's have that on camera. Just so slow.
So, Lesotho traffic jam.
Kiss is nodding. He's nodding because he wants to be warm. Oh, there's the ships. Oh.
Is this bad that I'm chasing them down the road?
No, they're just running. Don't feel bad. I think we are very close to the big.
Don't want to make the shepherd's lives too hard by driving their sheep away from them.
Oh, baby, you're such a sweetheart.
There you
what
go.
a sweetheart.
Look at them all looking together. Okay. Yeah, I guess they know where they're going.
Oh, baby. I'm expecting to see a big waterfall. Oh, this place is beautiful.
Yep, this has all been water erosion here.
From a small stream. That's a small stream.
That's why I'm like this small stream. Baby, what's gonna happen if I need to pee? I don't think I can drive for like 5 hours until we stop somewhere. I get to the rock and I pee. I'm gonna need to pee. That's a problem.
That's a problem.
The lady in me should go away. The rashness should come back. No, it's not even about that. It's just nature calling. You know, like oh, there it is! Baby, you're passing it. Baby, you passed the waterfall.
Oh, yeah, that was a good.
It's the big one. Yes.
Should I go back?
No, it's fine.
Is that good or?
It is really good. It was a big one. This was like that water. The way it was a lot of it. I knew there was waterfall. Okay, we're gonna get another one. Guys, there's so many waterfalls. Like probably more than 10 waterfalls. or 20. I don't know. What number do you think it is, babe? He just like, tell me, do you think 10?
Maybe between 10 and 20, I guess.
Yes. There's so many waterfalls here. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy to be here. I'm blessed.
Is there a waterfall in there?
Yes. Yeah. Oh my god, this one's little, but it's nice. The stones looks beautiful. Guys, we're in the village of Lesotho and we just found a poo. A cow's poo. I'm gonna show you a cow's poo.
I'm getting in the car.
This is a cow's poo, and I'm telling them the story about a cow's poo. Those are the villages. Let me show you the village of Lesotho. In our culture, oh my god, I'm zooming in. In the village culture, in the African culture, you take a cow's poo and you decorate the house and the floors. Looks nice, doesn't smell bad. It's okay.
Doesn't smell bad, it smells good.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, like, I need to tell them it doesn't smell bad. It definitely smells good. I like the smell of the cow's poo. So they wanna go, they're scared of the poo. Or don't wanna step on it.
We've got 2 washed peaches here when you want them.
Oh, cool.
That's nice.
Didn't want to wash the
Babe, do you love the cow's poo?
I love the cow's poo.
Lies you tell, you're on camera. Okay, done. 1 minute. So this is a different part of Gumnandi Lab of Lesotho. It's nice.
Those guys holding, they were drinking castle milk stout.
Gumnand.
Yeah, the one that I was at.
Fashion clothing.
On 4-wheel drives.
This guy's going slow.
This is where the real thing's happening.
The real thing.
Life.
Yeah.
Where people are having fun.
Sorry about
Oh,
that.
no.
Nice house.
That's why you're putting the brakes up.
Ah, they've got Pep, Standard Bank Lesotho.
Pizzeria and grill. Oh, some nice places.
Where is it?
It was just a sign back there.
Taxis, something to give a ride.
They have nice houses. Lesotho is not only the village side. Oh, look at these houses here. A lot of long houses. Can you see?
Yeah.
Taxi rank.
Supermarket.
A lot of gas. To show all kind of parts of Lesotho. Nice house. Some trucks.
Motherland Guest House.
Barre Hospital. I wonder where is this.
Sisters of Charity Guest House.
Lesotho Funeral.
Service.
So we have arrived at our lodge in Lesotho. Babe, what is this lodge called?
Katse Dam Lodge.
Okay, it's next to the dam. Beautiful dam. So yeah, we'll do a bit of a tour.
Been a very long day.
It's been a long day. I'm very exhausted. Oh, sorry, it's not on your thing. Next to each other.
Don't get too excited about this one.
I'm not excited. I don't have hopes. It looks like it's like a school thing, even in the passage.
But there's that.
Oh, beautiful view. Oh, the view is priceless, babe.
That's alright. It kind of saves it a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's gorgeous, right? Oh my god. And we have a mirror here. The bathroom, oh dear lord.
How is it?
Oh my god, I don't know.
Pretty good?
No.
No.
There's no shower. Oh my god, babe, there's no shower. Oh, we're gonna use this thing. Oh yeah, we hang this thing up there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, the thing's broken, so we just have to hold it.
Oh my god, look at this.
It's alright. Oh, there's this nice little cabinet here as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
And a bigger sink. Towels, they give you two. These towels are like. Okay, cool. Oh, those nice ones. These.
A big TV as well.
A big TV and a big portrait.
Alright, let's go get our bags, babe.
Okay.
And shower and get some dinner.
So, good morning. This is day 2 in Lesotho. I'm not really a morning person. I'm kind of like so tired. And here they sell nice stuff. We found a lady here selling. This is the hat for Lesotho and this is the logo. Lesotho logo. That's so nice. When you come to the city, you come support her and buy. It's not that expensive. So beautiful. She makes this by herself. How gorgeous is this? She's like busy making them. This is similar to this, right? Kiona e. Iberisa. Lefielo. Kilona dilo tsa o dira lefielo ke tsona ba dirileng. O di berekisitsang o dira mongatse o le ntwe. Or not really.
That's probably the
Eish. Ke bolela Sotho sa ke sa ko South Africa. Ara tshwara tšhelete a skisne. Cause re tla re sa tsebe nke ba bona re swipe ra re tla mara next time re tlo support ke. Ah, so nice. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Did you find out about petrol?
Yeah, there's petrol on the way.
Yep.
So it's right the road out to on the way to Clarence. It's about 50.
Morning. Going for the boat. Oh, there's no boat. All right, money. How are we doing that tour, babe? Just in the house?
We're going to look at the dam, on the dam walls.
Okay. Thank you. I was so excited that we're going in the boat.
was saying at the end, the last time that it actually overflowed was in 2011.
Ah, it's gonna be a dream. You can just give them contacts when you.
The first-
Yeah.
The first time was in, look at the shadow of these teeth coming down there. Yeah, the first time was in 98. Took them a year to fill it and they tested the overflow. But then I think you said then since then it was maybe in 2011. And then not since.
Then it's a dream.
Wow.
That's incredible.
You don't often get this close. I gotta see.
Yes, come over.
Wow.
Where's the water? Where's it flowing?
Just a little bit of overflow.
Down there.
Because a certain amount has to keep flowing to keep this waterway alive.
Joe, look at those stairs. Are we gonna walk on those stairs?
Which ones? I think
Cut that nice and neat. I just dropped the wheel down.
yeah, I don't think there's there's a too big babe. I think each one of those steps would be
Wait.
taller than. Oh, there we go. There's the water. Wow. Oh, cool.
Don't look down.
Wonder if it's worn that rock away.
That?
I said, I wonder if it's worn that rock
Yes.
away.